In this video, I want to share with you how I scaled a viral phrase to over 10 different designs and also share with you some prompts as well. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and Etsy. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those phrases or designs and phrases, just want to do a quick sales update for merch on demand. So today is Monday, December 8th, 6:14 a.m. in the morning. And yesterday was actually a pretty good day, second best day of the month. Ended up doing 43 sales and $90 in royalties. That is going to put me at 233 sales for the month and $472 in royalties. And then for Etsy, I actually had another really good day on Etsy. Etsy has been really good and very consistent. So we can see here for the month of December, yesterday I ended up doing $284 in revenue. Now that is not profit, that is revenue. With all the PNG files, that I'm also selling, this is probably making around like maybe 45, 50%. So that's good. And you can see for the month, I'm at 2,029. And I'm actually doing better than last year, which is really cool because Etsy has been worse this year than last year. So right here, we're going to see that last year, I actually had a big day on the 3rd. And actually last year on December 8th, I had a big day too. But you see, it says revenue decreased here, but that's because it's adding in this 8th day and we still have the whole day. So probably going to end up doing another, $250, maybe 300, who knows, even more. I've been visualizing having a really big day on Etsy, like $1,000 day, trying to think big here. But yeah, so those are my stats. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, link is in the description. I've also turned my Instagram kind of like into a personal brand where I'm making all these like reels documenting my process on my goal to make $10,000 a month by the end of 2026. So if you want to follow me on my journey, kind of get to know me more personally, you can check out my Instagram. I also have TikTok as well. It's basically the same thing. So if you prefer TikTok over Instagram, the links are in the description. But now let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So the other day I was on Merch Dominator, and if you don't have Merch Dominator, I would highly recommend it. It's by far the best research tool. And I was just doing research for my school community like I do every day, and I came across this niche right here, or this design, which is fiddle around and find out. And this is a play on words, or kind of like a knockoff of the F around and find out phrase that has been very popular for the past couple years here. And I remember like about 6 months ago, or maybe even less, 4 months ago, I found another design that was fish around and find out. So, what I'm noticing is that people are taking that F around and find out phrase and basically, scaling out to other types of niches. And so what I did is I was like, okay, there has to be some more phrases I could come up with. So I jumped on over to ChatGPT and I just asked it, or I told it, I say, I want to create some F around and find out t-shirt designs, but I want to make them play on word designs similar to fish around and find out and fiddle around and find out. Can you come up with some creative slogans I can use? The first word must start with an F. So it gave me a whole bunch of ideas. This is why I love ChatGPT or AI, because when I first started on print on demand, none of this stuff was around. There was no ChatGPT, there was no ideogram. And so it's just a lot easier now to come up with ideas and to get designs. And so what I did is I took the good ones and got rid of the bad ones, because there was some bad ones, and I came up some design ideas for you. And I want to go ahead and share with you those designs and ideas that I came up with. Let's go ahead and take a look at the first one right here, which is actually one of my favorite. This is why I put this one on the thumbnail. Now, the chicken niche is really big niche. It's one of the best animal niches on merch on demand, in my opinion. Sells very well. We know this from the F off. Remember the fuck off niche that did really well with the chickens and the roosters and even the turkeys with Thanksgiving. But here I thought this one turned out really nice. So flock around and find out. We have the chicken looking kind of badass, smoking a cigarette. Now you don't have to add in a cigarette, but I just thought that was kind of funny. Gives it a nice look. But this one turned out really good. Maybe you could switch out the text, maybe do something more kind of like distress or something if you don't like that. You don't have to do these exactly like mine. You can use these as templates, and you can, put something in, take something out. But this is just kind of like the framework or the template. Now, since the chicken niche is so good, I did another one. So right here, kind of flock around and find out. I basically took like one of those fuck off niches or designs and did something kind of similar, just switched out the text. So those are the two chicken ones. And if you want, you can actually purchase these. Whoops, I keep doing that. You can purchase these prompts on my PayHip shop. So just go to the link in the description. You get 10 of them. only $5, but I am running a 50% off sale until Friday, so only $250. So the link is in the description if you want those. But let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the prompts here. So the next one is going to be a flamingo. So, you don't just have to use, oh, I think I'm actually missing one in here. Might have to pause the video. But you don't just have to do like chickens. You can, all types of birds. You can do flamingos, eagles. So flock around and find out. Again, the flamingo looking kind of pissed off. That was a funny one. Here's another one with 3 flamingos, flock around, find out. And then I also had a one for the American flag. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Okay, so I found it's this one right here, flock around and find out, but this time with the bald eagle and the American flag. So like I was saying, I think chickens will probably be the best ones for this flock around and find out, but you can also do flamingos, you can also do eagles, any type of, bird will probably make sense. And then the next one is going to be froth around and find out. So froth is basically the beer or the white stuff on the top right there. And so, you can do something like this, or you can come up with your own beer clip art that says froth around and find out. Maybe people that like to brew their own beer, if you want to maybe sub niche this and go kind of deeper. So froth around and find out. Here's another one with dogs. So fetch around and find out, kind of like with this, don't know the style of this font, but this different kind of looking font right here with the clip art or the image of the dog. Here's a really good one right here, which is fumble around and find out. So if you don't know what fumble is, it's basically something that happens in football when you drop the ball and everybody yells fumble. So fumble around and find out. This is a good design right here. I like this one a lot. And then my favorite one, I think the one that's probably going to be the best besides the chicken one, is this, Valentine's Day one, which is flirt around and find out. I think this has a lot of potential and can do really good. So here we have a cat Cupid, which is pretty clever. And it's basically pointing the arrow at someone, which is what Cupid does, hits them with the arrow. Right here, it's flirt around and find out. And this could be scaled out with the image, so you don't have to use a cat. You can just do a heart. There's lots of ways that you can get creative with this. Again, you can upload this as is, or you can just go ahead and use it as a template and kind of, use your own creativity to come up with something. But I really like that one. And then this last one was flex around and find out with the skeleton. It should be a deadlift, but I think it still makes sense. For some reason, I couldn't get rid of these little white lines. So me personally, I would probably delete that or erase it on Photoshop, but flex around. So this is for the gym. So those are the niches or the designs that I have for you with this very popular phrase, which is F around and find out, and you might be able to come up with some other ones. Maybe you can get more creative. Maybe something pops into your head. Maybe ChatGPT will give you some different results that it didn't give me. So maybe, you can come up with some other ones. But I just want to share with you this because we know that this phrase, F around and find out, has been selling well. And we're seeing it with these designs on, we're seeing these on these designs from Merch Dominator. So fiddle around and find out, fish around and find out, things like that. So if those are selling, there's probably a good chance that these ones right here are also going to sell as well. All right. And again, if you want these, you can go ahead and get them in PayHip shop. Sorry, I can't even talk. It's kind of early. I need my coffee. And if you're looking for a niche service where you get niches and prompts every day for both merch on demand and for Etsy, whether you're doing print on demand, even digital downloads, you might want to consider joining my SKOOL community. Like I said, you get niches and prompts every day. I never take a day off. It's every day. It's only $24 a month, and you can cancel at any time. And we're still friends. Just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this page right here, and you can watch this video. And in the video, I kind of go a little bit deeper into like what you receive as a SKOOL member, how you can use the the information I give you, and how you can monetize and profit from it. All right. So if you're interested in that, check it out. If not, it's all good. I will continue making free YouTube content. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Adios.